Rolling girl is always far away. In her dream world she longs to stay. So much noise buzzing round inside her head. All the worries never end. All the worries never end. Whoa, whoa. No problem is so easily said, but now is there any meaningless? She fails once more, fails once more. After searching for the odd one out in the crowd, she starts spinning again. One more time, I think I will keep rolling on today too. And so she says, making sure that each of her runs is sincere. Are you okay? No, I'm in a phase, trying to escape, but I just don't see the point. Maybe I should just stop breathing. Whoa, whoa. The bowling girl feels she has reached the end. The cover is bland and can't be found. All these voices are fighting to be heard. They're all merging into one. They're all merging into one. No problem is so easily said, but now those words have no meaning left. And how will I stay on the right path? Even the hills tend to mean straight from what's right. Make mistakes, I'll regret now. One more time, somehow I'll find a way to keep rolling. So she says, making sure her silent words are sincere. Are you alright? Just give me some time, and I will do something about all of this soon. You'll see when I start breathing. One more time, I think I will keep rolling on today too. And so she says, making sure that every word is safe and smile. Are you okay? Yes, it's okay. You must be sick of all this, so let's go. And I will now stop myself from